In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change search engine used in address bar in Google Chrome. Tutorial. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, select Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page in a new tab. On the left-hand side, you will see a sidebar with different categories. Click on Search Engine to open the search-related options. After that, look for the section labeled Search Engine. In this area, you will find the option for search engine used in the address bar. Click that option to view the available search engines. Now simply choose the search engine you want to use. For example, you might select Bing, Yahoo, or DuckDuckGo. Once this is changed, anything you search for directly from the address bar will use the new search engine you selected. This means you can keep using the address bar the same way you always do, but the results will now come from your preferred provider instead of the previous one. That is all you need to do. You have now changed the search engine used in the address bar in Google Chrome. That covers everything you need to know.